If Canva is showing error 503, don't worry. This usually means the service is temporarily overloaded or your browser has a small connection issue. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes step by step so you can get back into Canva as fast as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and guides. First, open Canva and try refreshing the page. Sometimes a simple refresh is enough to reconnect and load the editor properly. If the error is still there, wait about 2 to 5 minutes and then try again. A 503 error often appears when Canva's servers are busy, so giving it a short break can solve the problem without you needing to change anything. Next, check your internet connection. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a quick speed test to make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow, unstable, or dropping out, Canva may fail to load and keep showing the error. If your connection looks fine, the next best step is to clear your browser cache. To do that, open your browser menu, go to Settings, then open Privacy. From there, select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, then click Clear. This removes old stored files that may be conflicting with Canva and forcing the page to load incorrectly. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely, reopen Canva, and sign in again if needed. In many cases, this refreshes the session and fixes the 503 issue immediately. If Canva still does not load, repeat the refresh step one more time and give it another minute, because the issue may still be temporary on Canva's side. The key thing to remember is that error 503 is usually not caused by something permanent on your device. It is often related to server load, browser data, or a temporary connection problem. So by refreshing the page, waiting a few minutes, testing your internet, and clearing your cache, you're covering the most common fixes in the fastest order. Once Canva opens normally again, you should be able to continue working on your design without losing much time. If this video helped you fix Canva error 503, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.